So you may have just logged into Snapchat and you might have seen that you're getting this little pop-up error on Snapchat that's basically telling you that you have an SS10 error. Now it can be SS10, it can be a lot of other things too. Now, whenever you get these types of pop-ups, the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you're typing in your information and your login information right. If your login information is not right within Snapchat, that's going to be the number one problem that you're going to run into. In fact, if we take a look at Snapchat's own error page right here, it basically tells us a lot of different things, but basically it tells you one of the very first things is to make sure you're typing in the right information. That is by far one of the fastest ways to go ahead and fix this problem. Now, another problem that basically Snapchat recommends is that sometimes if you basically go through and if you try to log in too many times, and if you have unusual activity on your particular account, Snapchat can randomly go through and give you this error as well. So, if you're going through and if you're logging in via a different particular area too many times, if you're logging in too many times or there's too many issues like that, Snapchat can randomly go through and do the exact same thing and basically just go through and give you this error. So if that ends up happening, if you get that error again, just see and make sure you're not logging in a very different area. If you're in a completely different country and you're logging in a completely different phone, that can also give you the same problem as well. So just make sure you don't have that problem either, which for a lot of people, you may run into that issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you can do is to try updating your Snapchat application. So make your way back into your App Store or Google Play Store, whatever you have. And all you're going to want to do here is basically search up Snapchat. So I don't know why my thing's not working right now. But in this case, you want to go and just search up Snapchat like you normally would. And you want to see if you end up finding it and trying to see if there's an update available for that application. If there is, if it says update just like this, you want to go and just tap on the update button and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which again, for some people that might end up fixing it. So those are a few different ways to fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.